Today I am Eva Sethi. I am studying in the Lexicon International School, Bagoli, Pune. Today I am going to tell you about our planet Earth and how to save our Earth. Our planet is in a danger. We have to be responsible and save our planet. The people are wasting the natural resources. We can save our planet Earth by doing few things that I will tell you now. We have to stop the pollution by not polluting the air, soil, water, and now we can stop the pollution by some logos like saying no to plastic. Use paper bags or cloth bags. Plant more and more trees. There is an event called Earth Day. It is celebrated on 22nd April. The event was invented by Senator Nelson. He created this event to give people awareness about how to save our earth. I am giving you a challenge. You have to plant 100 trees in this whole year. Thank you. Bye-bye.